Good afternoon, my friends, and thank you for all you guys that are subscribed to my channel. I finally have the time to unbox the Z4 Plus. Haven't had any time. I've been busy working on other little videos and playing around on the forum, helping people out, and it was Christmas. So, Merry Christmas to everybody. Now I got the time. Let's open this up, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut over and I'm going to power it up and see what it can do. I can't call my ISP today. I just don't feel like it's wasting my time just to put this on there to do a speed test. What I will do is power it up, put it on the monitor, and show you guys what you get when you turn it on stuff. I'm not going to plug it into a WAN connection right away because then it will want me to register to an account. Instead, it should allow you to just set it up locally and go through the wizard there. So, first of all, it's an Untangle Z4 Plus. Comes in a nice box. It's pretty basic box, but it's well packaged inside of it, so if you dropped or anything of that, it's going to survive. When you open the box, you get it looking like this. There's a piece of paper that just fell behind it. So what you get is an Untangle sheet, and it says Z4 Setup Guide. Package contents. We have a power adapter and cable. Yep, we have standard computer IEC power cable, power adapter. What do we got? We got a 12 volt at 3 amps. That's pretty good. A VESA mount bracket, so that's that's underneath the box. So we got this. So if we wanted to bolt it to the back of a monitor, we got some nice little rubber feet that can go on it. So if it goes on a shelf, it won't go anywhere. 2 antenna Wi-Fi model. Yeah, this is not the Wi-Fi model, and I've been told a lot of people say the Wi-Fi model is just not that good. You're better off buying a switch and an access point. That's good, because I'm going to be deploying this with a lot of Aruba stuff. And the Z4 appliance comes in the box, obviously. So, and we get some mounting hardware for our VESA mount, right? So let's take the box out here. It's actually really small, so I'll grab my nice DigiKey ruler here and I'll measure it for you guys. So we have 6 inches by 5 inches by 1.5 inches. That's actually a really nice looking unit. I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger. It's got a nice, on the front we got 3 USB ports and then a 3.0 port, I believe that's because it's blue, right? And then it says SS for power. So you know what that would be good for. It's putting a little fan on top of this. And I'll show you that in a second here. VGA port, or power switch, sorry. And then it says Untangle Z4 Plus on it. And I believe the Z4 just says Z4 on it. And we got a power light that should go green when it's turned on. On the back, we have 2 Wi-Fi ports. Obviously, that would be there for if we had the Wi-Fi version. 12 volt power port. We have hard drive, activity, and power light from the back. So if you have this face forward, at least you can tell, or depending on what side you have it on, you can tell if it's on by the 2. But you can also tell if the hard drive light's flickering when it's activating the hard drive, right? So you can do that. We have port 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now on here, it doesn't really show which port is WAN, LAN, but I'll put that into the description in the video here for us. And it's a pretty small looking little unit. Yeah, it just says the model on the bottom of it, the serial number. It's nice looking. I like it. Cool. Okay, so to the fan part. Check this out. I have a fan right here. My older appliance that I had one of these, and I'm not sure how warm these are going to get, but I might put that in the video here at the very end. But you could buy these on Amazon for $10, and it's USB powered. And it also comes with a little switch. So if you have this in like maybe a little network closet or something like that, you could put this little fan on top of it, right? Put it on low so you won't even hear it spinning, and then plug it into the power port in the front if it gets warm. And then just leave it on low so you can keep air moving around it. I'm pretty sure this box isn't going to get that hot, but hey, we'll plug it in until in a couple minutes. So, give me a minute. I'm going to unwrap the cable and the rest of the goodies, plug it into the monitor here, and turn it on. Give me a minute. after I take a sip of my coffee. Oh, got myself a nice green Cat 6 thin cable with my Untangle little, I don't know what you want to call it. It's not a Velcro. It's more like a rubber strap, right? Like a little rubber strap. It says Untangle on it. And then you just push it through. Holds the cable. Yeah, pretty simple. Okay, give me a minute. I'll plug it in, see what we get here. To turn it on and plug it in and stuff. So, in the instructions, gotta read the instructions. It says, connect an Ethernet cable from your internet modem to port 1. I was gonna guess that, but I didn't want to guess on this device because sometimes they're different. So, first what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug in the power, mouse, keyboard, monitor, turn it on and see what it does. So, I'm gonna turn this sideways. We'll plug in keyboard, mouse, VGA. I wish they had HDMI on here, but I don't know why they didn't go HDMI. I think the old boxes had HDMI. I'm pretty sure of it. Okay, so we got power over here. That. Oh, it's on. Oh, there's no spinning, no fans. It's just silent. Look at that. It's booting. And just bring it over here to get ready. Yeah. Let's see. Actually, I'll just put it here. And then we'll take my trusty blue cable here, plug it into my dongle because, you know, you buy a $3,500 nice laptop and it comes with a dongle. And that's my third dongle because I lose them. So we'll go port 1, 2. Yeah, and then as you can see, guys, you guys probably can't see it, but the lights are blinking. So if you do face this into your rack, you see power and then the hard drive light. So that's good. I like that. I'm pretty sure not many people are going to want to look at the front-facing ports, but it depends on where you put them. And just as I suspected, we're going to get into the setup page. So we'll go, this is the basic standard Untangle setup page. So we'll go continue because we got English selected already. We'll run the setup wizard. Of course, we're going to agree to this. There we go. So we'll set up a password. We are going to go choose our time zone, US Pacific's already got it, nice. Network cards. Okay, so I'm going to not plug anything in except for my laptop. Let's see what it does. This tiny little micro ports. Why can't we just have Ethernet ports on there? I know why, because everybody wants super thin laptops. Okay, so just as I also suspected, the ports are labeled right, good. And on here, it's already detected what port is plugged in. So I've got my laptop plugged in to it, and it's detected that it's into normal. So we'll go internet connection. I wish you guys would get rid of this. Save passwords on the setup wizard of Chrome that comes with this OS. Like, why would I want to save my password into this? That's just a vulnerability. No, this box should come out of the package with everything turned off. But whatever. So we're going to keep this to auto DHCP, internal networks. No, we don't want to try again. We'll leave this at the default configuration. I'm just going to clear it anyways, but auto upgrades. Yeah, we want to do that later on. Finished. And go to dashboard. I mean, this feels fast. It boots quick. It does everything quick. We'll close this because it's just letting us know that we can't get to the server. So we'll go close. Okay. Now let's see what we can get for here. So I'm going to turn on some screen software, sharing software. Let's launch this. First, we should check and see what we get for an IP address. Go IP config. We have a 2 address, so we got 2.163. So 192.168.2.1. Ooh, like it's fast, it's quick, it's snappy. That's really nice. Type in our quick, easy password. Tell Bitwarden to stop asking me. So we have on the page here, it's telling us we can't get access to the internet. But that's fine. We'll fix that in a minute. So we got a Celeron J1900 at 1.9 gigahertz, 8 gigs of RAM, and a 256 gig SSD. That's pretty nice. I mean, that's a lot of logging. I personally set it up so it always sends me logs every night so that way I can catch things that are going on. But, okay. So, let's plug in our green cable and double NAT and see what we get for internet speeds. So we'll just plop this into here. Put the cable back here because I don't want to see it. Then we'll go up to config, network. This should go green. Yep, it goes green. We won't get any web pages if I don't spell it correctly. Well, because it refreshed and gave me a WAN address. That's kind of strange, but whatever. Okay, so www.google.ca works. Untangle.com. That works too. I don't know how well a speed test is going to work on here, but let's try one. Go. Look at all these ads. Ugh. Ads, ads, ads. Everything in my life is ads. Oh, it's doing a full gigabit. I mean, we're getting 900 and... Look at that. 925. Nope. 927 by... Let's see here. I would say that's 920 by 920. The number's a little bit off there, but that's full. That's almost like a gigabit connection through this. I mean, we have no features turned on and no apps installed or anything like that. Let's just see. Does it come with anything turned on by default? No, nothing's installed. It's just blank. That's because we have to do that. But the box is quite capable of doing what it's supposed to do. So I'm going to leave the review here. I don't have any apps to install yet because this is not my unit. I just brought it home to unbox it and show you guys what they look like. I don't foresee this thing getting very, very warm, but if you have it in a closet, you could probably pick one of these up. I'll put a link in Amazon. It's just a little fan, as you can tell. Let's plug it in. Turn it to 0. It's got a direction so you can push air onto it or blow air past it. Simple. Just a thought. I had one of these, an older, not a protecty box, but it was an older Atom box that kind of got warm. So I had this fan and I've used it in my rack over there. So that's why I have that. But yeah, quick, easy video. Hopefully it's interesting. I'm pretty sure it's not going to be, but I wanted to show you guys what's in a box. Later on, I hope there's on their webpage here. I'm hoping that I can snag what is this box called? Z4 Appliances. I am hoping to get a Z6 by the end of the year, or not end of this year, but next year. I'm hoping to get myself a Z6 to put in my home lab here and go from there. But I think that'd be pretty sweet. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and all you guys that are following me and giving me positive comments, thank you for that. Very encouraging, and I'm going to go get a new fresh cup of coffee and box this thing back up. Have a great day. See you later.